Max was an adventurous 7-year-old with a head full of curls and a heart brimming with curiosity. Living in the sleepy town of Willowbrook, he often dreamed of grand adventures far beyond his cozy bedroom. On one warm summer night, as an enchanting moon cast its silver glow across the land, Max's journey began. "Max, I'll need you to gather some firewood," his father called out as they set up camp by Whispering Lake. Max grabbed his flashlight and bounded into the nearby forest, each step echoing his excitement. While collecting sticks, he noticed a faint glimmer in the foliage. Intrigued, he ventured further until he stumbled upon a clearing bathed in moonlight. To his astonishment, a group of animals had gathered, forming a circle around a large, shimmering marshmallow. Max's eyes widened in wonder. Badgers, foxes, squirrels, and even a wise old owl stood silently, as if part of a secret council. The air hummed with anticipation. "Who are you?" Max asked, feeling both thrilled and cautious. The owl, perched atop a low branch, turned its head gracefully. "Welcome, young adventurer. We are the guardians of the Moonlit Marshmallow. Once every century, we animals gather to celebrate this magical event. Tonight, you have been chosen to join our race." Max's heart raced. "What kind of race?" "A marshmallow race," the owl replied. "We each keep a piece of the moonlit marshmallow in a silver pouch and navigate through the Whispering Forest's mystic paths. The one who returns to this clearing first wins a wish granted by the moon spirit." Max could hardly believe his luck. A wish. He imagined all the things he could wish for, but first he had to win the race. Each animal received a silver pouch, and as the owl handed a pouch to Max, a soft melody filled the air. The moonlight seemed even brighter, casting whimsical shadows that danced around them. "Remember, brave soul," the owl continued, "the path is full of challenges. Trust your instincts and be kind. Now let the race begin." From the first step, Max was determined. The Whispering Forest was like a living puzzle, each turn revealing new wonders and trials. He navigated through thorny bushes, jumped over sparkling streams, and slid down slippery moss-covered slopes. Every so often, he spotted one of his animal competitors tackling a challenge of their own. A squirrel used its agility to swing across branches, while a fox cleverly found shortcuts using hidden tunnels. Max's determination never wavered. As he approached an enormous ancient tree, he was met with a particularly tricky obstacle, a series of vines that swung erratically, blocking his path. "I need to time this perfectly," he thought, watching the vine's movement. Summoning his courage, he dashed forward, narrowly avoiding the vines that swayed like enchanted serpents. He was almost through when a vine brushed his arm, causing him to lose balance. Max took a deep breath, steadied himself, and made a final leap to safety. Just as he landed, he saw the wise old owl perched ahead. "Well done," the owl hooted. "But your true challenge lies ahead." Max followed a winding path lit by glowworms, arriving at a serene pond with water as clear as crystal. In the center floated a lily pad with an inscription, "Speak the truth to reveal the way." Max kneeled by the pond and thought about what the clue could mean. He pondered his motivations and said aloud, "I'm here because I want to win the wish, but I also want to help others and share this adventure with them."